Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. Today we bring to you a design video by Shelter Mode. We bring to you MODPOD 320, a tiny shipping container cabin designed using a single 40-foot shipping container. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing shipping container cabin design. If you are looking for modern floor plans for container homes, a weekly update on case studies for most influential shipping container homes from around the world, plus detailed articles from our building guide for shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more weekly videos. Check out our website sheltermode.com for lots of free resources, modern floor plans, and blueprints. If you like our videos plus our valuable content on shipping container living, feel free to support our channel on Patreon through the link in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. In this design, we've used a single 40-foot shipping container to create this amazing design of a shipping container cabin. The 40-foot shipping container is accommodating all the essential functions you'd require for a functional tiny house. We have a living room at the center of the shipping container, whereby we have a full kitchen with overhead and under the counter storage. We have a horizontal slit window which provides adequate daylighting for the sink space and the counter worktop. We also have an additional space in front that can accommodate a dining table for 2 or even 4 depending on the configuration. There is also a small lounge area on the extreme end of the open plan living space, fitted with a sofa seat, which can also be transformed into a bed at night for additional sleeping space. In the middle, next to the living room, is a common bathroom, which is fully equipped with the shower. We have a toilet, and also there is a wash and basin. On the extreme end, past the bathroom, is the bedroom, which has a queen-size bed and adequate wardrobe storage space. There's also a horizontal slit window on one end above the headboard, and on the side, the space is fitted with full-height sliding glass doors for adequate daylighting, cross ventilation, and also to provide unobstructed views through the glazed opening. In addition, the open plan living space is equally fitted with full-height sliding glass doors for adequate daylighting and cross ventilation. They also create a seamless access between the indoors and the outdoors, enhancing the livability of this cabin. The original container cargo doors were removed on the extreme end, and the space fitted with full-height sliding glass doors, helping to kill that claustrophobic feel of living inside a constricting shipping container box. To enhance the livability, at the same time increasing the living space of this shipping container cabin, A generous outdoor sitting space was added in front of the shipping container and is covered with a characteristic flat roof to enhance the general appearance and the functionality of this cabin. This outdoor sitting space is generous and big enough to accommodate as many outdoor living activities as possible, including outdoor dining, lounging, or even a children play space. You can try out different materials for your outdoor finishes. In this particular case, we have the original container colors and corrugated container walls left intact, especially if you are using a one-trip container. We have an additional canopy that covers the entire space in front of the shipping container, and it goes beyond and on top of the container itself, creating a monolith of a flat roof, giving a design flair to the cabin. The additional roof is a green roof on top of the shipping container, creating a microclimate to help in temperature regulation and to also enhance the lifespan of the shipping container roof. In terms of design considerations, we also have a nice opening in a portion of the outdoor sitting space to allow for an overgrown palm tree to basically help in shading that space around the outdoor sitting area. We also have a portion of that particular space covered with a stone wall to basically provide a shielded environment for the outdoor sitting space from unfriendly weather elements. On the opposite end, we have a trellis with climbers to basically also introduce a shaded environment on that particular side of the cabin, at the same time providing a bit of greenery to enhance the ambience of the outdoor living space. This particular cabin is ideal for use as an Airbnb, a backyard guest house, a home office, or a guest pavilion where you can entertain your friends over the weekend. What do you think about this amazing shipping container cabin design? Give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video, as usual, you are encouraged to give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are also encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. If you like this design, you can get it from our website sheltermod.com. We also have hundreds of many shipping container house designs on our website. Feel free to check it out, and if there's one that you like, feel free to also get it for yourself. You can also check us out on social media pages by typing the word sheltermod. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below.